J for jar. What a nice jar. K for knife. It can cut your hand. L for lion. It's so dangerous. M for monkey. Oh, it's so naughty. N for nip. You can ride it. O for orange. It is so tasty. P for pen. You can write it on your paper. Q for queen. Queen of king.